Hello, this is Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8326BH. 4 slide outs, rear bunkhouse. You see the LED docking lights on the front, automotive windshield, power tongue jack on the front, 2 large 30-pound LP bottles. You are set up for 2 batteries on the front. You have a dry weight of 9,262 pounds. Large slam latch compartments, full pass-through storage. We equip this with awning toppers on all 4 slide outs, frameless windows, storage areas with magnetic clips, storage underneath the dinette, your outside shower, water hookup, cable, satellite, black tank flush, all in one area. We are looking at a 50 amp service. We did equip this with 2 ACs, sewer connection on one area, ladder for roof access, backup camera prep. You do have a receiver on the back, 300 pounds. You can put a bike rack or extra storage bin on the back. 8326 does have an outside kitchen. 2 burner range. Sink that's plumbed in. Overhead storage. Electric refrigerator. Nice storage drawers. You can move one of the inside TVs out here. It's already prepped on the wall for it. And your 110 cable hookups are all here. You do have a griddle and a prep table that hooks on the side wall, all out underneath the power awning. Does have a shielded cover on that, protect you from tree limbs, debris, and sunlight. Your outside speakers and exhaust fan for the range. That griddle does tee off of your propane. Your quick connect is down low. And your spare tire is here, so not on the back bumper, giving you more room for storage back there. Step above 3 entry step, all the way to the ground. Nice new feature. Flips right up into the camper. Nice clean look, out of the way. Very easy to set back up. You can adjust the legs for uneven terrain. The other side of your pass-through storage. Auto leveling. So this is not stabilizer jacks, they are one-touch automatic leveling. Touch a button, drops the jacks, it levels itself. So heavy duty enough frame on the Rockwood Signature to be able to level it. The control for the docking lights and your prep for solar panel. You can trickle charge those front batteries with a portable solar panel. So let's go inside the 8326BH. Take a look. All right, entering into the 8326BH Rockwood Signature. You'll see the stone decor, maple cabinetry, large King U dinette, sleeper sofa, nice kitchen area with countertop extension. Large stainless steel fridge. Good separation from the master bedroom. We'll start here in the living area. Trifold sleeper sofa, and the stone decor does open up to make a bed. King U dinette. Table does drop, and that makes a bed as well. You'll see the style pedestals they have. You don't have the base plates, so when you remove the table, it's completely flush, free area there, nothing to hit your feet on. And you can move the table over in front of the sofa as a coffee table. We did the roller shades, so you'll see the day and night roller shades. So you can black everything out. Very nice new feature. See the overhead cabinetry. And the kitchen. Stainless steel microwave, overhead storage, flush mount cover on the oven. Rockwood does a good job with the larger oven. LED lights. It does have the dual stainless steel sink. Also spray head. You have a electric fireplace that does put out heat. And you have a large TV and sound bar. TV is on a swivel arm. So to get you a better angle, you can turn so you can see it from any location. IRV Technologies, you can sync your phone, get the app for that, and be able to control the speakers or the zones right from your phone. DVD, AM, FM, CD player, USB, and HDMI plugins. We are wired for solar. Dual zone, because it does have two ACs. Your bathroom, nice glass enclosed shower, overhead skylight, max air fan in the bathroom, and good storage. Pantry area, along with good storage underneath the dinette. Going right back into the bunk area. So opposing slides, this is probably going to be one of the larger bunk areas you'll see. So one bunk folds up out of the way or drops down, and you've got storage drawers underneath. So one bed there, one bed up top. Your ladder will access this bunk or the top one, which does drop down, give you an extra sleeping area there. Solid doors separating the bunk area from the living area. Same exact trifold sleeper sofa in the bunk area. Lots of storage. TV is on a swivel arm. Overhead storage as well. You do have plenty of windows for cross ventilation. Max air fan with a cover in your bunk area. And your ductwork runs back here as well. And speakers. So huge bunk area. Nice setup there. Heading right up to the master bedroom. You can access from either side. Little slide out here gives you some storage, and your glass wardrobe gives you hanging area. 110 receptacles, plugs on either side. One nice thing with that front windshield, you do have a shade, but it gets rid of those wardrobe towers, so it doesn't feel like you're in a coffin. They put those up a little higher to get them out of your way. You do have a second AC in the master bedroom, which is ducted throughout. So drawers on either side, subwoofer, arms hold up the bed for you. We did equip this with a TV, so you do have 3 televisions in this Rockwood. Again, doors on either side. This brand new 2020 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8326 BH. Stone decor, maple cabinetry. Please continue to subscribe to my channel, Scott Hudgens at Dodd RV. Look forward to hearing from you. Also on this touch screen we didn't go over, but the panel here controls your slides. Again, IRV Technologies. Get the app. You can control everything from your phone, so you can be outside the camper controlling the slides. Just a nice feature. Tank heater, extend that camping season. So great floor plan, great options. Scott Hudgens, Dodd RV. Thanks, have a good day.